Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor, your trusted source for natural health solutions. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on many minds, which is weight loss. And our secret weapon? Chia seeds. Stay tuned as I share how this tiny superfood can aid in your weight loss journey. Let's understand why chia seeds are beneficial for weight loss. These little powerhouses are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, curb cravings, and support healthy digestion. First, we have chia seed water. This simple concoction is an excellent way to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Let's discuss how to make it. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water. Let the seeds soak for about 10-15 minutes until they form a gel-like consistency. Stir well and drink. Consuming chia seed water before meals can help you feel fuller and eat less, aiding in weight loss. Next up, we have chia seed pudding. This delicious and nutritious treat makes for a satisfying breakfast or snack. Here's how to whip it up. Combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk, such as almond milk or coconut milk, in a bowl. Add a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup to taste, along with flavorings like vanilla extract or cocoa powder if desired. Mix well and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight, allowing the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and form a pudding-like consistency. Top with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds for added texture and flavor. Enjoy this chia seed pudding as a healthy and filling option to support your weight loss goals. Lastly, let's explore chia seed smoothies. Adding chia seeds to your favorite smoothie recipe is a convenient way to boost its nutritional value and enhance its weight loss benefits. Here's a simple recipe to try. In a blender, combine 1 cup of spinach, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 cup of almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy it as a satisfying meal replacement or snack. The fiber and protein in chia seeds will help keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Remember, while chia seeds can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and active lifestyle for long-term success. Start by incorporating these chia seed-based recipes into your routine and see how they can support your goals. That concludes today's video on how to lose weight with chia seeds. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.